Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making Gateau Piment. Gateau Piment is an appetizer or a snack from Mauritius. You guys would like it, so let's get started. The main ingredient in Gateau Piment is yellow split peas. So this is what it looks like when it's dried. And I have 1 cup soaked in water overnight. And it gets bigger like this. And this is what you want.
Rinse the dal thoroughly, and then I'm going to put it in a cloth to get rid of the excess water. You can use a towel for this, and I wrap the cloth and let it sit for about 5 minutes.
After making sure that it's all dry, put it in your food processor, or you can put it in your dal kaze as well. And this is how you want the dal to be. Add in half a cup of green onions, 2 tablespoons of dill, some salt, and now just mix all of this in together.
The trick to a nice crunchy gateau piment is to not add more water. There's water already in the dal from soaking it overnight. If there's too much water, your gateau piment won't stick together properly and will break when you deep fry them. Another thing is that when you are making the rounds, make sure they are airtight. You want a crunchy on the outside and a bit soft on the inside. My station usually looks like this when I'm deep frying anything. Boiling oil in a big pot. My gateau piment is ready for a hot bath and a plate with paper towel to remove the excess oil. Once it gets a golden color, remove it from the pot and set it on the paper towel. It will darken up a little bit as it's still very hot. Once it's at room temperature, eat it up.
This is it. This is my recipe, or actually it's my mom's recipe for the Gateau Piment. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and see you next time.